Jack's question is a very good one. How do you determine the difference between a minor interval and a diminished interval? And I believe that Jax is also asking minor, major, diminished, augmented, etc. How do you determine, this is what we call the quality of the interval. And I'm going to show you how. First of all, we start by identifying the number of the interval. In this case, you can see that it's a fifth. We count, including the bottom and top note, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, we know it's going to be in this first column. This first column is for unisons, fourths, fifths, and octaves. We're going to use this first column on the graph to determine the quality of this fifth. We're going to start by creating a major scale on the bottom note, which is in this case a G sharp. We're going to create a hypothetical G sharp major scale and find what would be the fifth note of that scale, like this. Two, 3, 4, 5. That would be 1 G sharp, A sharp, 3 B sharp, 4 C sharp, and 5 D sharp. Now let's compare that to the note we have here. It is in fact a D sharp, as you can tell from the key signature. Therefore, this perfectly matches the fifth in the major scale. So we can tell that because it matches a major scale, it is a perfect fifth. In this case, we have another fifth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So again, we're going to draw from the first column here. Okay? Let's identify what the bottom note is. This time it's a G flat, and we're going to identify the fifth note of the G flat scale. 1 G flat, A flat, 3 B flat, 4 C flat, 5 D flat. Now let's compare D flat to the note we have here. It is in fact a D natural. Looking back at the piano, the distance from G flat to D natural is bigger than the distance from G flat to D flat. So going back to our graph, we can see if it's a half step larger than in a major scale, it's going to be an augmented fifth. Let's select that. Augmented fifth. Okay, here's another example. This one is from F flat to D. That's going to be some type of sixth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's going to come from the second column. Okay? Seconds, thirds, sixths, and sevenths. Now, let's find the sixth note of our hypothetical F flat major scale. 5, 6. It would be a D flat. And because this is a D natural, it's bigger. So let's see what that's going to be. It is a half step larger than in a major scale. So this will be an augmented sixth. I hope this helps, and feel free to message me with any questions.